capture this seated shot. Again, the signing of the partnership between Sports Plus and MPBL. Ladies and gentlemen, a round of applause, please. A great new era for Philippine basketball. Two powerhouses joining forces, the MPBL and Sports Plus. Between the MPBL and Sports Plus. This time on the other side, Commissioner, kayo rin po. Handshake din po tayo with attorney. Yeah. Thank you. Now, as led by our founder, let's show our signed contracts of partnership. Let's hold it up, proud. Again, this is a great new chapter for Sports Plus and the MPBL. Ngayon naman, further symbolize itong partnership that's rooted in the true spirit of basketball. Meron tayong special moment. We have a commemorative jersey and we'd like for our guests of honor to sign this also. Ito ay ito-turn over natin. What a historic moment. Let's bring in, if we can please, the official. You know, this jersey is more than just a piece of apparel. It's the symbol, again, of the union between Sports Plus and the MPBL. It's a one-of-a-kind jersey. To seal this partnership, would like to request our representatives. Commissioner Oreta is already signing. Pipirma rin siyempre, the founder of Maharlika Pilipinas Basketball League, Mr. Manny Pacquiao. The signature, we have special spot for Mr. Andre Uy. Gentlemen, can I invite you please to step out in front so we can have a good view of the jersey. Dito po tayo sa may harap. Let's hold the jersey proud for our photographers, our videographers to see. Commissioner on the right side. Next to him is Mr. Andre Uy. Manny Pacquiao will be right on the center and Attorney Gakal on the left. Smiles, everyone! Hand over this signed jersey to Mr. Andre Uy of Sports Plus team. We have just witnessed the official uniting again of two powerhouses. Maraming salamat to these gentlemen. That concludes our ceremonial signing. We'd like to ask for our signatories to please go back to your seats, rather here at our signing table.
Good morning, everyone. First of all, I would like to thank God for this another opportunity na magkasama tayo at ma-receive natin ng favor and blessings from the Lord. Our Sports Plus President and CEO, Andre Uy, MPBL Commissioner Emerson Oreta, MPBL team owners, and representatives, players, and media friends. Magandang umaga po sa ating lahat. Today is more than a signing ceremony. Today, something bigger is coming for MPBL. When we started the Maharlika Pilipinas Basketball League, The vision was simple: bring professional basketball closer to the Filipino people, to the cities and province that live and breathe the game. Now, we take that vision to the next level. This partnership marks a new era for MPBL. We are not just growing in numbers, we are growing in structure, in systems, and in scale. We are building a league that is stronger, more organized, and ready for the future. We are powered by partnership. Together with Sports Plus, we combine purpose and performance. This is about collaboration, about aligning brands that believe in excellence, integrity, and nationwide impact. Two faces coming together to elevate the game. As founder and chairman, I believe this is a defining moment, not just for MPBL but for Philippine basketball. Thank you to everyone who believes in our mission. The work continues, the mission gets bigger, and the best is yet to come. And we're trying to do our best na mas mapaganda pa, mas mapalisin pa natin, especially yung mga suspected game fixing na mga nangyayari. And I warn everyone, lahat ng mga players, mga team, coaches, na as a founder of APBL, nandito ako lagi nakabantay para pangalagaan yung integridad, pangalan ng APBL, ng ating liga. Ayoko nang lagi kong sinasabi sa lahat, I always say this, I'm gonna say it again today, na huwag nyo na pasukan yung mga game fixing na yan. Masisira lang yung buhay nyo. Kayo lang ginagamit ng mga nagsisindikato dyan. Pwede naman tayong maglaro ng parehas, ipakita natin sa bayan, and then pangalawa, masisira din yung integridad ninyo ng mga players. Siyempre, nagtatrabaho kayo, nagsisikap kayo for your family, masuportahan yung pamilya ninyo. And this is the only league na 1 year, almost 1 year yung league. No? Ang trabaho na opportunity na nabibigay sa lahat ay napakaganda. And I'm hoping na lahat tayo magtutulungan. Kung sino man yung gustong pumasok o mag-alok ng mga game fixing na yan, huwag kayong matakot isumbong sa amin. Kahit pa sikreto lang, hindi naman namin sasabihin na kayo nagsumbong. Kami na bahala doon. No? Kami na bahala mag-take action for that mga illegal yan. Yung game fixing na yan. So, sana magtulungan tayong lahat. Yun yung sinisikap natin para yung excitement na naibigay natin sa taong bayan, yung laro na talagang gusto ng taong bayan na makita, ay makikita nila sa bawat game, sa bawat araw na bawat team na nagkukunan na nagbibigay ng kasiyahan sa ating mga Pilipino. So, I want to say thank you to all the team owners, thank you to all the team manager, coaches, players, sa inyong walang sawang pagsuporta at pagkagilig sa MPBL. Ang MPBL, manatiling MPBL at patuloy ang ating vision para mapalaki pa at mapalawak pa ang MPBL. Not only here in the Philippines, but planning to expand it to Asia or international. God bless.
Maraming salamat, Mr. Manny Pacquiao, Chairman again and founder of Maharlika Pilipinas Basketball League. Again, mas palakihin pa at mas kilapit sa mga manonood, sa mga basketball fans, ang kanilang minamahal na liga. Now, we are going to have a very short time, pero at least we'll be able to unpack what lies ahead in the 2020. Ayan, nandun po. Magandang araw po. There you go.
Good morning po, Roman Torres from ABS. For anyone who can answer, paano lang po makakatulong yung partnership na to elevate yung overall experience, especially watching live games, pati na rin po yung online engagement?
Hello. Okay. Thank you for that. Actually, itong partnership kasi with MPBL, on Sports Plus side, we have a lot of activities and engagement for the fans and during the game and outside the game. Meron din tayong mga activities also for the players and even sa team owners and the leagues. So, abangan nyo na lang yung mga active na hinahanda namin sa inyo itong 2026 season.
Thank you, Sir Andre. Roms, we're okay? All right, next question. Meron po tayo coming from that end. Good morning.
Good morning po. I'm JP Julio from PTV Sports Network. This question goes to Sir Manny Pacquiao. Okay. So, while envisioning this MPBL po, did you imagine na it would grow into what it is today?
Oh, I never imagined this MPBL because we started MPBL in our compound sa Jensen. In fact, si commissioner nakapaglaro pa ito nung MPBL first season ng MPBL doon sa Jensen sa compound ko. So, marami din nakapaglaro ng si Di Peravina, si Baruca, nakapaglaro yan sa first season ng MPBL doon. Kasi nag-10 season kami bago ko nilaunch ito sa national. So, yan ang history ng MPBL and I never imagined na ganito aabot ang MPBL, but what I'm trying to say now is like in plan is our vision is to widen the scope of MPBL not only in the Philippines but thinking about for Asia also, in different country. Salamat.
Maraming salamat. And again, with Sports Plus now, hand in hand with the MPBL, hindi malayo pong mangyari yan. We have another question. Hi, Gab.
Hello, good morning. I'm Gab Guerra from Sports Quality. Sa ating idol, Senator Manny Pacquiao. Sir Manny, alam naman natin ABBL is one of the largest professional leagues natin dito sa Pilipinas. And of course, sumusuporta ito sa mga laban kontra sa game fixing. So, ano na kayo sa ating mga makikibaka ng ABBL para masiwa tayo mga tao na sa likod ng game fixing. Kagaya na yung sinabi nyo kanina. Maraming salamat po.
Katulad ng sinabi ko kanina, mas paigtingin pa natin yung pagbabantay natin sa bawat game. Mayroon tayong magre-review, may team tayo na magre-review every day sa lahat ng games. So, i-evaluate yung performance ng bawat team, evaluate bawat players para masala talaga. But it's like NBA, the way NBA screen, parang double check yung nila na hindi kapasukan ng game fixing. So, ganun ang gagawin natin na may magre-review and titingin nakatutok sa bawat game. So, I hope na matakot kayo pasukin ng kasi maliit lang naman yung kamay ko.
Pero hindi lang, di ba? Hindi lang growth kasi yung pinag-uusapan natin dito. There's also, of course, the credibility and accountability. Tama ba, Mr. Manny Pacquiao, na hindi na, di ba, maging talamak itong mga ganitong transactions in sports in general.
Yeah.
Commissioner, you wanna add?
Yeah, I just want to add, actually we had a meeting with
Games and Amusement Board. We have a plan to do our resolution para masugpo natin itong game fixing. And also one of the plans ng Sports Plus is also to help us. No, para din sa liga, kaya talagang blessing in disguise na naging partner natin ng Sports Plus para talagang masugpo natin yung itong game fixing because integrity is most important and also we owe this to our fans. No? Pag maganda yung integrity natin, lalo tayong mamahalin ng mga fans. Thank you.
Well said. Thank you, Commissioner. We're okay with Gab. May next po tayong question. Hi, John.
Hello, Brando from the Philippine Star. So, Sir Andre, recently you partnered with the POC for our national team. This time in the pro level, what makes the individual the right partner and a new addition to your going sports partners?
Okay, so actually, yung Sports Plus vision talaga is to bring thrill and excitement to every game. Kasi ba't itong MPBL, which is the Liga ng Bayan, and pag nakita naman natin, is very exciting every game. Kahit ako, nanonood din ako and sumabaybay. So it's just for me, it's a perfect partnership lang kasi we share the same vision as well as we want to add spice, no, excitement to the game for every Filipino.
It's a whole new experience for Filipino fans watching the MPBL now that Sports Plus is on board. Mr. Quinito Henson, good morning.
Good morning, Senator Manny. May plano po ba ang MPBL yung magkaroon ng collaboration with the PBA? Sort of like yung sa NBA at saka yung GBig nila, magkaroon ng collaboration or relationship so that mas malakas ang dating ng professional basketball sa bayan natin. Thank you.
It depends kung mapag-usapan namin. Ang MPBL naman is ayaw namin magpag-compete, no, sa lahat ng mga liga. Welcome naman lahat to partner with MPBL, lahat kung anong collaboration na magawa natin to maximize basketball sports dito sa ating bansa. So yun yung ano ko. And I want to say, MPBL also a professional naman. So purely professional.
Thank you.
Good morning, Senator Nick Yonko, really great you. You mentioned about the MPBL expanding. The MPBL has stage games in Dubai, in Canada. Saan ba particularly kausap nyo or target market nyo dito sa Asia?
Buong Asia, Middle East, tapos marami tayong nakausap din. And yung sinabi ko kanina na ang MPBL hindi lang dito sa Pilipinas, pwede mag-expand tayo. I'm thinking for actually, inano ko na yun. So, pinaregister na natin yung MPBL International. So, yun ang vision ng MPBL na mag-expand ng mag-create ng another league. Hindi lamang dito sa Pilipinas. So, yan po yung vision natin. MPBL International.
Let's make room for one last question. Yes, sir.
Hello, March Baliway from Port Fresh. So, Sir Manny, ano po ba kung pwedeng expect ng fans, teams, at players dito sa partnership ng FPBL at Sports Plus?
You must expect that the games, siyempre, more excitement games ngayon kasi nagpalakas yung mga iba't ibang teams. And also, more, parang more benefits for sa mga audience, sa mga fans, kasi marami din mga engagement sa lahat ng mga fans na gagawin. So, maraming mga fans na may involved dito. So, may mga activities na gagawin din. And then, yung promotion ng MPBL this time, mas triple pa, mas double. So, because we're going to start to put a billboard sa mga EDSA, gano'n, and then yung mga advertisement ng APBL, sa social media, mas dublehin pa o triplehin pa. So, may budget na tayo yan for promotion because Sports Plus is our partner and ano rin sila, willing to help APBL in collaboration with APBL. Marami ang kami manutulungan at maraming malayo ang mararating ng APBL. So, abangan ninyo. Ito ay APBL ay liga para sa bawat Pilipino.
Thank you. Exciting season ahead for the MPBL, whether manonood tayo ng live sa iba't ibang venue ng mga laro or manonood tayo on our gadgets, mobile phones, or even on TV. A round of applause, please, for our panel. Gentlemen, maraming salamat. Stay please as we invite our players from the various teams of the MPBL to join Mr. Manny Pacquiao, Mr. Andre Uy, Attorney Gapal, and Commissioner Oreta on stage for photos.